Isigaba sesithathu, part 3, sobunye nobuningi, umsebenzi wokulungiselela ukuhlola, which is still exam preparation work. Okay, so sizoqhubeka-ke sigcine sibone ubunye nobuningi kwizabizwana zoqobo. We last work on the singular and the plural on absolute pronouns. So now, all right. Ngicabanga ukuthi-ke sesibheka-ke ubunye manje obuthathelwe ubumnini. Konje yini ubumnini? Yes, ubumnini is ama-possessives, right? It's the words that shows it's amagama, the words that shows ownership, right? So army means something that belongs to me and that is singular. If it doesn't belong to me, it belongs to us. Then we use it2, it's ours. For something that belongs to you, and it's something that is yours, singular. The sing is for singular. If it's not only yours, it's yours and other people, and it's yours, meaning we use inu. All right. Ake means his or hers, something that belongs to him or her. If it's not his or hers, it is theirs. Okay, bon. Right. I guess bone ukuthi singawenza yini umsebenzi. Dibhala ubuningi bemisho elandelayo, meaning write the plural of the sentences that follow. Imoto yam iphukile. Imoto will be izimoto. Then now that we have izimoto, we can't use a yami because a ya is used for imen in beginning word. Therefore we say zami, ziphukile. But line 2, sentence number 2, 3, 4, they stay as they are because number 2 start with ugu, then everything will just stay the same. Number 3 start with ubu. Ubu beginning words are abstract nouns, therefore the sentence stays the same. And number 4, the sentence will also stay the same. It's an ubu beginning word. Siyayibona le ndaba, right? Okay. Okay, ake sibheke-ke umsebenzi olandelayo nezimpendulo zakhona, right? Bhala imisho ushintshe okugqamile kube ubuningi, right? The sentences and change what is highlighted into plural, right? Ake sibone ukuthi singakwazi ukwenza ngokukhulu ukuphazima kweso la. Ngifuna ingane zethu. Wena uzophasa ngoba usebenza kanzima. Ubunhle uzalwa emndenini wezinhlanga ezixubile. Yena uthi wesaba isimo sezulu kusasa esibi. Right. Ake sibheke-ke impendulo zakhona. Ngifuna, sifuna. Ingane, izingane. There's a type of error, but it's fine. Zethu. All right. Wena, nina. Uzophasa, nizophasa. Ubunhle, obunhle. Uzalwa, bazalwa. Bona, yena, bona. Uthi, bathi, wesaba, besaba. Siyabona ukuthi ishintsha kanjani lento, right? Ake siqhubeke-ke nomsebenzi olandelayo, right? Umsebenzi kwamagama azimele nje lawo. Sometimes you may be given individual words. Bese kuthiwa bhala ubunye bamagama alandelayo. Omalume. For one malume, it will be umalume. Thina, mina, ngibiza abafana umfana. Ngicela obhanana owodwa. Ngicela ubhanana owodwa. Bona uthanda amaswidi, yena uthanda amaswidi. Abazali uthengisa ingane yakhe, umzali uthengisa ingane yakhe. Ozola ufunda incwadi, uzola ufunda incwadi. Simple and straightforward. Niyibona lento. Omunye umsebenzi just ukupractice amantombazane ithanda. If you are not sure, just check your subject concord in sentences afana nalawo. Yekuthiwa bhala ubunye noma ubuningi, write the singular or plural for the following sentences. So in this case, you can just check your subject concord if you are not sure, and then it may act as your guide. Uyayibona lonto. So iyakwazi ukuthi ikusize. Icici, amacici, lami, ami, makhulu. ngifuna isizwe sami sijabule. Sifuna izizwe we can say zethu zijabule, it's up to you, right? Amasoka lentombi enhle liyakhula, isoka lentombi enhle liyakhula. Ngidinga ilanga amabili nje vo, ngidinga amalanga amabili, or sidinga amalanga amabili nje vo. Remember, enye into that guides you laphayana, it's your mark allocation. So you can just use this for practice purposes, but again, after this we'll move on to the IEB previous question papers on the section. Vula masango ukuze kungene imoto. Vula isango ukuze kungene imoto. Wonke ibhanoyi andiza ekuseni, wonke amabhanoyi andiza ekuseni. Uyayibona lonto. So we are practice kodwa ke ake siqhubekele ke manje sibone ke amaphepha amadala, the previous question papers. So iphepha langonyaka odlule leli, uyalibona? Ake sifundisise kahle kumiyalelo, right? Because ngezinye izikhathi imiyalelo ayishintshi, sometimes the instruction don't change. Bhala ubuningi bamagama abhalwe ngokugqamile bese ulungisa nezivumelwano. Bhala umusho ophelele. Let us unpack the instruction first. Bhala ubuningi, write the plural. Bamagama abhalwe ngokugqamile of the words written in bold. Remember we said gqamile means bold. And bese ulungisa nezivumelwano and fix the subject, the concords. Bhala umusho ophelele. This is very important. Write a full sentence. So uzobhala umusho ophelele. You're not going to write igama elilodwa. Please be mindful of this part of the instruction. Ingane ithola utshwala kalula emphakathini. This is last year's paper. Number 2, ikhansela lisebenzisana nezikole ukukhuza abafundi. Right? Number 3, isidakamizwa singaphazamisa izingqondo zabafundi. Uyabona? So we're writing, let me show in ubuningi. So from ingane, it is izingane. You can no longer have ithola, but we say zithola because now the noun, which is a subject, starts with an easy. Uyabona? Number 2, ikhansela. Remember, it's an IK. Remember what we said about those ili beginning words? We said if it's an I followed by any other letter except for a letter M, N, S, and a Z, and then those words that we indicated. So therefore, this one, it's one of those ili khansela beginning words. And even the subject concord, it shows, it says li, if you are not sure. Uyayibona lonto? Right. So the E beginning words from that class that takes the li as a subject concord in plural, they take ama. Amakhansela asebenzisana nezikole ukhuza abafundi. Isidakamizwa, it's an EC beginning word, changes into easy from C, then we have a Z. Uyabona? Ngabe uyitholela amamaka akho 3 marks, uslice it out. Right. And then iphepha lango 2021 and there's also 2022, right? I guess bheka 2021 tuwabhala ubunye bamagama alandelayo, and you are just given individual words, izandla, amanzi. All right? And then 9.2, yakha amabizo kulabo ndaweni abalandelayo. Can you see ukuthi here they are not asking for the singular and the plural, but because the singular and the plural vele, it's from this umbrella, from a section of the nouns. All right. So they gave you a locative, igama elithi emsebenzini, to change into a noun. Esikoleni, to change into a noun. So ungaziqaphela lezi zinto, you can look for these things. They may not ask for singular and plural. They may ask you about anything to do with a noun as well, because it's important to where other words, how other words from the different parts of speech are derived. Uyabona? Right. And then 4.2, utibala umusho landelwayo ube sebuningini. Write the following sentence into plural. So this was iphepha lango 2022. Uyabona? sekuthiwa-ke uzoqala ibanga elisha, or uzoqala ibanga lisha kulesi sikole. U-highlighter yonke into is in bold. So, and then you have 2 marks, right? So you need to think about lo 2 marks very, very carefully ukuthi uzowuthola kanjani. Siyayibona leyo nto, right? Okay, so uma sibheka-ke izimpendulo zakhona, ithini impendulo yakho la? You have izandla. What is the singular? Amanzi. Does amanzi have singular no plural? Right. So from emsebenzini, what is the noun? Because emsebenzini is a locative. Yes, it is umsebenzi. Esikoleni, it is isikole. Uyayibona leyo nto? Right. And then masibheka-ke leli gama sithini-ke mase silibhala ngobuningi. Bazoqala. Uzoqala, bazoqala. Then we can change this into plural, amabanga. Then instead of saying elisha, we can say amasha kulezi zikole. Uyabona? All right. Or we can just change everything. Or ubuke mark allocation yakho, so that if go half a mark, at least uzowathola wonke amamaki akho. Right. Ake sibone-ke impendulo. For isandla, it was izandla. For izandla, it was isandla. For amanzi do not change. All right, they stay the same. And then amagama, where you were supposed to write nouns. Emsebenzini, umsebenzi. Esikoleni, isikole. Yabona? Be on the lookout for look. Ngoba kwehlukile nje, it's just different. And for that last question, you may write it in different ways. So these are the different ways. Bazoqala amabanga amasha kulezi zikole. Remember, it was 2 marks. Let's say half a mark, 1 mark, half a mark for both. Then it's 2 marks. All right. Bazoqala ibanga elisha kulezi zikole. Half a mark, it's 1.5. So it's up to you how you choose to calculate your marks. But I think the correct answer is that one. But these are other options that you may use. But remember to use your mark allocation as your guide. Right, so umsebenzi-ke wobunye nobuningi uyatholakala-ke kulezi zincwadi sekuyasa nakithi. And in particular, amabizo with ubunye nobuningi siwathola ekhasini leshumi nesishiyagalolunye, page 19 to page 28. All right. So, and if you don't have this book, angazi ukuthi uzimisele ngani. Ithini into yakho. If you don't have it, here are our details where you can get yourself a copy. Bathi-ke ngaphambi kwalokho-ke nginifisela okuhle, wishing you all the best, and may everything go well according to how we explained it emsebenzini wobunye nobuningi. But ngaphandle kwalokho sithinte kwi-www.kabekwamumbo.co.za noma usithumele i-email u-ode boyincwadi zethu ku-publications@kabekwamumbo.co.za. Siyabonga, sinifisela inhlanhla.